A statement of agreement is a legal document between two or more parties that denotes agreements that they have come to regarding an event. This is a general contract that can be used in a variety of scenarios. The only requirement for a contract to be considered an agreement document is that both parties understand and acknowledge the terms and conditions surrounding the event and wish to formally document this agreement between them. The purpose of the statement of agreement is to legally bind both parties to hold up their end of the bargain. This protects the interests of all involved parties and provides protections to each if complaints arise in court.